This is Milq, the mobile gaming studio in your pocket. You can create Swift-based apps and games that runs natively on your iPhone. I'm a big F1 fan, and here is an F1 practice game that I created on Milq. I can hit this run button on the top right, and it immediately pushes my build on a simulator running on a Mac server remotely, and live streams the result back via WebRTC. We never run any code on your iPhone, and hence it's the only app on the App Store that's approved and does not violate any guidelines. I can even full screen my stream and properly experience it. I've been meaning to make one small tweak. Let me just annotate it and ask Milq to move this display down so it doesn't hide behind the dynamic island. This is of course a mobile first and AI first development environment, so everything is organized neatly in a way that makes sense. For example, all my project metadata, should I need to change, like name, icon, bundle identifier, etc., is right here. All my assets and resources right here as well. For example, look at this beautiful 3D model of the McLaren F1 car that's used in our game. I can interact with it and visualize all the details right here. There are also other assets here, like the asphalt texture for the road, grass texture, and not only that, my entire source code lives on my iPhone as well. I can browse my entire project, view and edit any Swift or property list files, and more. Now, a reason why all your source files are on your iPhone is that the Milq agent actually runs on your iPhone locally as well. It runs on a background process, so I can freely close the app and do anything else while monitoring the progress from the dynamic island. And it's done. Let's tap run again and see if it made the change we asked for. Yep, it's there. Now, simulator is great, but there's no better feeling than actually running this app on the real iPhone. So I'm going to ask it to give me an install link so I can sideload it directly. I've already linked my Apple developer account with Milq, so it'll pull necessary certificates and provisioning profile to sign the build and then serve me a web page so I can install it right away. Let me hit install and boom. The icon appears on my home screen. Finally, let me show you another really cool feature. Because we have simulator running on the cloud, you can share build links with your friends. We create a separate share build so you can continue with your development work. Tapping on it deep links directly and opens Milq automatically on your friend's device, and it provisions a separate new simulator instance. No need to create test flight builds and go through any review process. This is super safe and gets the job done.